Greetings, everyone. How are you guys doing? This is Sunborn Creation. So tonight, what I will be bringing to you is, this is to the subscriber. I was telling her about this dura gloss, what I put on my beads to make them glossy. And in my last video, before my last video, I was talking about alcohol blending solution when I use Tim Holtz pearls, alcohol pearls, and alcohol inks. And these are some of the alcohol ink and alcohol pearl pieces right here that I use. These I use for this, but I didn't set these out because I kind of forgot. But 2 videos back, I think I did these on camera. And these are pretty much a beautiful mixture of like a watercolor. And I did a video on these earlier today to show you what they look like. So I just wanted to, come back. Actually, I put this here so you could see the difference with gloss and without gloss. Excuse me, y'all. My son brought a bug in here, and all of a sudden I was feeling okay, earlier, but then 2 hours ago, I'm getting stuffy nose and everything. So, it's trying to pull me down, but I got to work on that. I got my elderberry that I made, so I'm gonna take some shots of elderberry with some cayenne pepper. So you can see the difference. This one has, actually I used the Mod Podge Dimensional Magic on this one. And this one I have not put any type of gloss on it just yet. So I don't know if I'm going to do this right here. This Mod Podge. I'm not sure if I'm going to do that or do the I haven't decided yet. I have to, sleep on it, think about it when I get out here to say, figure out, which one to use. But the Dimensional Magic, it's just pretty much like catches the light frequency, when you use it, and just kind of like, I guess, take it to another level. But these are some of my beautiful hand-painted earrings. Now on these, let me show you the back. Actually, this started out one color and turned into this color right here, because I thought it was too dark, and I'm like, oh, I need this a little bit lighter. And I used like a gray on the back, like a chrome. I won't use that anymore because it messed my table up, my floor. So I won't use that chrome. That's one of Tim Holtz. I got out of his one of his. I'm like, I used it before and I really didn't like it these. I just might just chuck that one and just throw that in the trash because it's always peeling. Unless I don't know how to use it. That may be what it is. But excuse me. So, these are the beautiful earrings. I call these my nest and black butterfly earrings. I put these up. I love these. I always say I love everything I do. I have to keep that vibration because if I don't, who else? Nobody else is. So hopefully the type of jewelry that I make are, artistic, some of it. They're, hopefully somebody, along the lines, like I say, I've been on here maybe right at a year. So maybe in a few more years, the channel, pick up more. And people could, see my aesthetic and what I'm about. So I chose to put like a little heart, not a heart, but a flower, a 5-petal flower on these, just to give it a little bit more with the EY. I've already, showed you that earlier. And these butterflies are like almost at 1.5 inches. And I love these butterflies. I don't think they have any more. Matter of fact, I think I I've had these butterflies for 2 years. Actually, I was just going to put a hook on them and let them just be earrings a different way, you know, by itself without this. But I thought since I did this black garden, you know, I said maybe I'll just drop it in there. And actually, I'm not finished with this earring at all. I got a little bit more detail that I want to put on this earring to make it pop and stand out. But when it was too dark, this is what I brought it back to light with. And this is like a chalcedony color. And I put this color and it really just, you know, popped it right back in. Oh, I got to hurry up. And these are the little 12 by 12s that I got from Amazon that I made these out of. Okay. So we're going to move this aside, set that right there. And I'm going to show the Miss Subscriber. I try not to use too much of this stuff. I got it, like I said, I got it out of Hobby Lobby. And let me read to you what it says. Excuse me, y'all. Durable, glossy, non-yellowing finish. That's why I got it, because I wanted my finish to be clear. And it said gently shake, apply with a flat brush, and allow to dry to the touch before adding additional coats. You can use it indoor or outdoor. And it's water-based and it's permanent. So it's soap and water clean up. I guess if you get it all over you. See, that's a good thing. But you might want to use some gloves with this. But I don't have a flat brush. This is a bad brush that I'm using. Oh gosh, I thought I had to, I didn't want to use my good brushes with this. So I'm going to try this one and see how it do. And I'm just going to take this one off for a minute. And this is how I do it. Just brush it through. Now you definitely want to use soap and water after you do this. Hold on. Lately, it seems like the things that I do don't want to act right. It says you can use a couple of coats on it. Put one coat on, let it dry, and then go back and do another coat. So we're going to push that up right there. Yeah, I should have got another brush because this brush had had a little bit something on it and it's not doing what I needed to do. There we go. You have to put a good bit of it on. I hope that didn't change the color of my bead. If it did, I might have to do another one. So I do it on this stick, and I do it this way also. I'm going to take that, and that's what it looks like. I'll set that there. We're going to go in and do it this way. And I'll see what it looks like. If it looks pretty decent, then I'll come back in. I might do another, I'm putting this on this end. I do another gloss in the morning. Now that's not touching the cloth. So that's how I use the dura gloss. And make sure you wash your hands if you come in contact with this. But this is what the bead looks like after you do the gloss. But anyway, guys, I am, this is 10 minutes. That's good. That's a good video. And I put this down in the description, what I used. And I will catch you on the next video. If not tomorrow, it might be the next day. Depends on how I feel. So like I say, I'm going and get that elderberry and cayenne in me. And hopefully that'll knock this little bug up. I normally don't get bugs and stuff. I really don't. But we'll see. But anyway, guys, I will catch you in the next video. And guys, you have a blissful, peaceful night. And stay safe. Oh, I forgot to... Well, anyway, I'll catch it later. Stay safe, guys.